Hello, today I'm joined by Thomas Nisbet here on the Precision Placement Machines booth at APEX. Welcome, Thomas.
Thank you.
Now you're president of PPM, as it's locally called.
Precision
and your main line is that you started off as the service vendor for quad pick and place machines.
Correct, yeah. We were a used equipment dealer originally, and we specialized in the quad product line.
Right. But over the years, that's sort of matured into being the full service provider of refurbished machines.
Right. We acquired the quad product line from Tyco was 5 or 6 years ago, and now it continues to develop on that platform.
Right. Okay. Now, if we've actually got a refurbished machine here behind us, and if we can go through some of the typical things that you upgrade when you bring a machine in for refurbishment, maybe you can talk me through that a bit.
Sure. Yeah. The most important development, we've replaced the control system. And it's been upgraded from a DOS operating system to a Windows operating system. Yeah. And it operates in Windows XP. It's, we designed it to be extremely flexible for rapid setup, quick changeovers, make it as user-friendly as possible so that customers can import CAD data and set the jobs up very quickly.
Okay. And what about the component handling? I mean, what sort of component levels does it go down to?
Yeah, we can place down to as small as 0201 chips and as large as 3-inch square QFPs.
Okay.
We can place down to 20 mil pitch, fine pitch devices, BGAs, micro BGAs.
Okay, good. And I noticed on the spec that I saw earlier that one of the things you've also got is smart feeders. Now, obviously, back in the days when these machines first came around, you didn't have smart feeders.
They didn't exist, yes.
So they just plug into the existing machine and work with the new software. Is that basically it?
Yeah. You program the feeder offline, and then you can basically plug the feeder in anywhere on the machine, and the machine will recognize which slot it is, where it is on the machine. Right. So you don't have to set up a particular slot for a certain feeder or part number. It'll just plug feeders in anywhere on the machine, and it will recognize where they are. It'll keep track of component counts, component usages, mispicks, and so forth.
So what sort of speed are we getting out of the refurbished machine?
They're rated at 3,600 an hour, and it depends. There's a lot of variables that go into that, depending on the gantry travel for picks and so forth, and anywhere from 3,000 to 3,600. Right.
Okay. And so for a customer having a refurbished machine, typical price point would be?
The base price of the machine is $26,000. Right. Comes with a 90-day parts and labor warranty. Okay. Would come with a new control system. Right. Okay. As well, the Windows operating system.
Now, is that warranty is underwritten by Tyco, the original?
The original is underwritten by Precision Placement Machines. Right. And Tyco also offers an extended warranty. They continue to support the product line with field service. Right. And offer extended warranty. Okay.
Now, I believe you also added a couple of other Tyco products to your line.
That's right, we did. Yes. A couple of years ago, we acquired the depaneling division from Tyco. It was based out of Virginia. Right. We purchased the whole division. We hired quite a few of the people from the depaneling systems, and we opened a 7,500 square foot facility in Virginia, where we manufacture the machines and support them. Great.
So you're doing singulation and you're doing the
press.
Right.
Yeah. We have a flexible smart router for low speed, high mix applications, and we have a press for higher volume. Okay.
Great. So I think it's pretty interesting. So you took some of the Tyco staff with you when you acquired that. So how many machines have you got in the field now?
Tyco sold, I'm guessing, upwards around 2,000 machines around the world for this particular model. Right. And I'm estimating there's at least 1,000 of them still out there running. Really? So we have a huge customer base around the world.
Right. Absolutely. Yeah. Well, it certainly looks a lot smarter. It's got some pretty neat features in it. I noticed there's a tape cutter here, and
that's right.
And you can have the option also to fit a dispenser into the system.
Correct. Yeah, we've added the new cut tape feeder, which allows them to use less than a reel, and they can just pick directly from the cut tape feeder and use short sections of tape. And also the paste dispenser, epoxy dispenser, has been added to the Windows software, so they can place components as well as dispense. Makes a great prototype machine, lower volume.
Yeah, no, I agree. So there you have it. For prototyping or small volume, the refurbished Quad 4000 for less than $26,000. This is Trevor Galbraith for GlobalSMT at APEX.